Your Star Daily with
Alright,
Phil C.
traders. It is 6 p.m. over on my side of the world. And this is the London trading session here at the Star Prosper headquarters. I've just realized something. The microphone settings that I have, I don't know if anyone else is experiencing this. I don't know if you experience this yourself using the computer. However, it seems to be that the microphone, the volume control seems to adjust itself, and I don't know why. I don't know. So every time that I record now, I have to make sure that the microphone is at 90, that particular level, because I've noticed a little bit of inconsistencies throughout my videos there. What I'm doing here is I want to show you what I'm currently involved in right now. This is one of the updates videos I do throughout the week and bring you some trades that I'm currently involved in. You'll notice that I'm doing a lot of shorts now lately, and it's just important talking points that I think are of good value that I want to bring to everyone and to as many people as I can. With that being said, can you please like the video for me and subscribe? It lets me know that you like what I'm doing, and I'll continue doing the same moving forward. Okay, let's head over to the charts right now. And yeah, I'll show you what I'm currently involved in. Here we go. First and foremost, I'm on the euro dollar right here. Euro dollar, we had a good trade from the Star Trading overview. We did about 80 pips. Oh, that's another thing I forgot to update you on. We finished off June, and it was really good. It's about 380 pips or so, with a couple of monster winning trades. So that was really good. Happy with that. A big pat on the back for good trading there. Right, euro dollar, 4-hour time frame. This is a cipher entry. This box right here, let's make it a different color. Like this. You can see that I have a note. I have a note here. It says cipher entry. On a lower time frame, so I'm on the 4-hour right now. On a lower time frame, I got involved in a short, but I used the cipher pattern as an entry. So I have my entries, stops, and my targets, right? I used the cipher as an entry here. My stops are above, traditional pattern entries and stops. But with the targets here, I'm shooting for a retest of the lows, as you can see right here. We zoom in. So I'm looking for a move towards the downside, right down to here. That's what I'm looking for. And what this is a trend continuation trade, because we had a lower low, lower close right here, and then we pull back, right back up into this shelf right here. So really good shorting opportunity. And I got short here on a pattern, and I'm looking for targets with a trend continuation trade right there. So just an update on the euro dollar, what I'm currently involved in. Had a little bit of movement right now, and then straight away you can see from this candle more selling pressure, biased towards the downside. You bet I am. That's where my targets are. You would be the same. Right, so what else do we have here? Heading on over to the pound dollar. This is a 1-hour time frame. Now I'm in the opposite direction right here, because price action, as we push to the high side, we close above these highs, looking left, right there. And now we have a new structure high. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a pullback right back down into this level. You can see the level that I'm eyeing off right here, right there. A little bit strong of a color, that one. Okay, there we go. This is a level, a buying level that I'm looking at. How did I come about with this trade? Well, so this is a trend continuation trade towards the upside as well. If price action comes all the way back down, if I get a pullback right back down into this level at 26,900s, I'm looking to buy it up, and I still haven't. Oh yeah, I have. No, I haven't. This target should be right here. There. Yeah. So now I've already put targets in. Okay. So here we go. Price action coming all the way back down, and we're resting at this structure level right here. This is the zone that I'm paying attention to. This is my buy zone. Okay. Anywhere within this level, I'm looking for a buy. Now, why is my entry right here? Well, I'm trying to get pinpoint accurate with this buy opportunity right here. So here's my entries at 26,900s, let's say. And then I've got to stop right below these lows here. So right below this shelf, looking left, right there, always look left. So good risk. And here is my reward to target 1. So I have a really good risk to reward for target 1. And then I'm looking for target 2s right up into our Fibonacci extension from our previous low to our previous high, right up into the 127 Fibonacci extension there. So what is this? Well, this is just a trend continuation trade towards the upside. We've closed above these highs, looking left, okay? And we get price action coming up, coming all the way back down. And we come up again and put in a little move like this. Then we come up, closing above these highs right there. And then again, a bit more of a move now, right now. And then if price action can come all the way back down into this level by buying interest, right back down into here, this shelf, then I'm looking to get involved. So if we can get price action to push just a little bit lower, I want to get involved in at this level. And then we'll see if we can get a move towards the upside, or, you know, if price action is feeling silly enough, we might get a move all the way towards the downside, blasting right through my stops there. But yeah, the trend continuation trade towards the upside here, good risk to reward in my favor. And yeah, we'll see what happens with this trade. So that was the pound dollar on the 1 hour time frame. And let's have a look what else we have. Over on the Aussie dollar here, 1 hour time frame. So yeah, I've been in this trade for quite some time. I've rolled stops to break even here. I actually got involved with this trade a while back. And what I'm looking for is a move towards the upside on a higher time frame. So this little box right here was my buying level of interest. And what I'm looking for is a move back up into. We did get target 1s here, right? I did get target 1s here in the live trading room right there. So I did get quite a bit of pips from that. So 75, good trade there. My target 2s are right up to the right up at the next structure level here. So here we've got previous support becomes new resistance right there. So that's where my targets are resting, right up at this structure level, right? So Aussie dollar, as you know, smacked me around a little bit. So it was good to get involved in a long opportunity and finally get some pips back. Yeah, 75. Finally get some pips back from that. See if we can get a move back down into this level, looking left right here. Okay. And then I think that's head and shoulder on a higher time frame. And then see if we can get a move towards the upside, of course, because I love it when target 2s get hit. Most of the time, when that happens, we move into new equity highs, right? So that's really good, nice to have. Target 1s are good because they give you a little bit of money when you're trading, right? So your target 1s are just over 1-to-1 risk to reward. They give you a little bit of money. They keep you alive. You survive in the markets long enough. This is what happens. You survive in the markets long enough for target 2s to play out, and especially those home run trades as well. So that is what target ones do. They keep you in the game. They keep you alive in trading. So much so that they give you opportunity for those target twos to be hit, which, yeah, put you into new equity highs, which is good. It's what we want. That's why we're trading. So that's the Aussie dollar looking for a move towards the upside here. Target twos resting at 67 for 30s. See what happens with that. And over on the Kiwi dollar for our time frame, we had back-to-back wins. These are where my monster trades came from. This was the Kiwi dollar 4 hour right now, what we're looking at. To get rid of that win. Yeah, so back-to-back winners right here. Love patterns in a consolidating market because that's what happens. And you keep trading it until price action proves otherwise. And as I always say, how do you know? Well, when price action stops you out, then we look for the next trading opportunity and we trade what we see, right? So we keep trading the patterns in a consolidating market until what? Until price action proves it wants to do something else. If we get a move towards the upside and we break these highs right here, well, then we might be moving into expansion, right? Other than a false breakout. And if we're moving into expansion, then we want to start looking for the trend continuation trades. Okay, that's great. But then when do you stop trading? Then when do you stop looking for trend continuation trades? Good question. When the market says otherwise, when price action proves otherwise, that's when you stop. So you continue trading what you see, right? We're trading the trend when the market's trending. We're trading patterns when the market's consolidating. And that's the significance of our stop placements. It's there, so if price action hits our stop, we're wrong on that trade. We're wrong initially on that move. So if we get stopped out of patterns and then it breaks towards the upside or towards the downside, well, then we're looking for a pullback. And either we're going to buy or sell, depending on the setup, until it, it proves otherwise again. And we keep repeating that process because you don't know when it's going to move into trend, and you don't know when it's going to move into consolidation. So you have to continue trading it this way until price action says, you know what, I'm moving into consolidation now, or until price action says, you know what, I'm moving into trend now. And that's why we have our stops in place, right? Because that is what's going to alert us that, oh, okay, there could be a shift in price action. There could be a shift in sentiment. And then we continue trading the trend until price action moves back into consolidation, right? Because we're not hindsight traders and we can't predict the future. So we want to play the probabilities. So we continue trading what we tested, and that's what we do. We trade, we trade what we see, okay? And this, yeah, so I continue trading the patterns, back-to-back wins, really good trade. And right now we come up into our sold right here, okay? Just the other day. I sold right here and I'm looking for a move back down into this structure level right here and potentially a little bit further, okay? So I'm looking for a trend continuation trade within this pattern, right? So we have the criteria to look for this trend move. There's trends within trends within trends, right? So what I'm looking for is a move back down into this level right here. And then target twos will be a Fibonacci extension at the 127 right down into here. Stop placements right there. If we get a move towards the upside, then we wait, right? I'm wrong initially on this move. If we create new structure highs above these highs, then I have to be patient. Want to get out of the trade, then I have to be patient and wait for the next setup, right? So that's Kiwi dollar on a 4-hour time frame. Then last thing, just to recap here, the trend continuation trade on the Kiwi yen, also from the live room here. So this is where my entry point was. This is just a textbook example of a trend continuation trade. we come all the way back down into this level right here. Stops below this low looking left, right there. Entries and then targets right up here to retest of the highs. Okay, so that would be target, oops, that'd be target 1. And then right up here at the 127, that will be target 2. So what am I doing, right? What are we doing here? Well, we're waiting for a pullback back down into this level, okay? Now, if we can get a pullback, let's do this. Remove drawing tools. Here's previous resistance, okay? So we're looking at this level right here. So what do the rules say in our plan? Well, if new structure high, so we break these highs right here. If new structure high, then we wait for a pullback. Okay. So if we get a pullback back down into this level, gonna move up, and then we get a little pullback right here. Then we get another move up, and then see if we can get a little pullback there. If we get a pullback back down into this level, we're looking for a buy. And my targets will be a retest of the highs right here. And then, of course, a Fibonacci extension right up at target 2s, right up there for an extended move. Okay, so what I'll do, this is Kiwi Yen for our time frame. What I'll do is I'll jump down to the 1 hour time frame. Bear with me. Whoop. We're waiting for price action to pull back down into this level. Now, what we're looking for are stops below these lows. It's much easier to see on a 1 hour time frame. Right there. Here we go. Waiting for price action to come all the way back down into this level. Okay. If we can, then I'm looking to execute a buy right there. And stops have to be below our swing low right there. And then targets will be a retest of the highs right there. So it'll be looking like this. Here is your risk. Get rid of that. It's easier to see. This will be your risk right there. And this will be your target right here. Right there. Retest of the highs, right? So again, it's another really good risk to reward. What I'll do is make this green right there for buy. So if we get a move back down into this level, I'm looking to get involved. Stops below our swing low right here. And then target 1 right up here. I'll just swing low, swing high. Previous low to previous high, excuse me. And then target 2 will be at the 127 right there. So it would look like this. Okay. Right there. So we have a really good risk to reward on this trade. That's also a trend continuation trade. And this could be the trade of the day. So I'll leave that one right here. Okay. So these are the trade updates of what I'm looking at currently right now in the markets. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also like the video, trying to get this out to as many people as possible. And I wholeheartedly and truly need your help in order to do that. So I'd appreciate it, please, so much if you are able to help me with the algorithm. That would be wonderful. And yeah, I'm grateful to be here with you as always. Until next time, which will be soon, I'll get back to you very soon, actually, and also have some further training for you as well to look forward to. Until next time, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Thank you so much.